Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to our new video. This will be another unboxing video of wireless earbud. The earbud is from JOYROOM. Its model is TWS or JR T03S. You can read all the features of this product behind the box. As you can see, we have purchased extra silicone case for our earbud to protect it, which is in dark blue color. It's very soft, and you also get a keyring so that you can hang it around at the side of the bag or around your pocket. While opening the box of the earbud, we get a charging cable which is compatible for the iPhone as well. A silicone case which is in red color, and the earbud itself, very well packaging. I loved it. Also the user manual for the earbud. It has features like main secondary switching, touch operation, in-ear detection. It has got 5.0 Bluetooth version and 400 mAh charging box that can stand by about 80 hours. This earbud is compatible with both the Android and iOS, which is a plus point. Also, each individual earbud can be paired with different mobile devices, which is another plus point. You can protect your earbud cases and earbud in the silicone box like this. This is very easy to attach it. So you can hang around like this. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video.